Everybody, it's Dustin, Chevelle Garage. Wanted to give you a little update on the wiring, and it took me a little while to figure out how I wanted to do it. So I wanted to share that with you in case you decide to do this project, and maybe give you a couple pointers on the way. So when you get the harnesses, you know, obviously they come in these bags. When you open them, it's got little connectors and everything. You got to splice. But basically, you're just left with the raw wire. And I am doing this because I don't want the wires everywhere. I wanted to clean it up. I want it to look nicer. I wanted to protect it for years to come. So what I did is I bought some of this expandable wiring loom. This is a 1/2 inch. And at first, I was a little nervous because I thought it would be too small. But it kind of acts like those little Chinese handcuffs that we used to play with as a kid. So when you push on it, it expands, right? And then you pull, it gets smaller. So this actually opens up quite big. And I was able to get the entire main harness put in it, as you can see here. What I'll do is I'll cut, like here, I'll cut a hole, and I'll pull the wires through that need to go like to the windshield washer pump and things like that as I route it. But I just wanted to give you an idea of what it looks like. Maybe you might want to try this. I also have some heat shrink tubing that I'm going to feed over it, and I'm going to tuck it all the way up here to the connector, and then I'm going to heat shrink that so it'll be completely watertight. The rest of it will be protected from grime and allow me to route it very nice. So that's what I'm doing. A little update. Progress, it's definitely coming along. I still have a lot of work to do, but I'm kind of taking my time doing everything right. I thought I'd have it done by now, but I decided to get super anal and take my time. So anyway, have a good day.